Good morning, welcome to SouthernCrossGO. My name is Grant. If you're new to the channel, it's nice to meet you. Now this morning, just got to go and get some chicken. Now I feed Lucy chicken because it's cheaper than buying dog food. So let's go and I'll show you the cheapest, best wholesale chicken place around anyway. Okay, so this is the chicken shop here. We're on SouthernCrossGO T-Shirts. It hasn't got a name. It's just right next to the Nadi service hub, like telephone service centre. It's probably about 200 or 300 metres past Kuta Market. This place supplies all the little warungs and that around everywhere. So you can see these would be orders. These look, just baskets full of chickens. They do really big orders, you know. So all the chicken for all the warungs around this area comes from here. So you can buy any type of chicken here. You've got the chicken feet, you can buy heads, you can buy the livers and kidneys, you can buy anything you want. So she'll just chop it all up for me. You probably get about 3 kilos for 10 bucks, 100,000. So it's cheap, it's cheaper than buying dog food. So I feed this to Lucy, just boil it. All right, so I got me chicken for Lucy's food for the next maybe 5 or 6 days. So what I do is just bag it up, package it up, put it in the freezer. So yeah, if you want cheap chicken, this is the cheapest place. All these little tables you see, selling chicken on the side of the road, and all the warungs around here, everywhere, all buy from her. So she gives me a good deal. I get 3 kilos for 100,000. You know, it's pretty cheap. It's cheaper than buying dog food. A can of dog food costs you, I think, about 26 or 27,000. You know, nearly. You know, the dog would eat one every day. So I just buy chicken, likes chicken, and yeah, that's it. All right, so let's get on with the rest of the day. How's it going, mate? Little Kenzo's a little bit sick. We're going to take him to the doctors. A little bit sick, mate. Got a fever. All right, so we're going to get him on the bike, race him into Kuta, or Legian, just on the border of Legian. There's a really good doctor there. I'll show you when I get there. Even if you're a tourist, this is the best doctor to go. It costs you about 10 bucks, 100,000 to see him. And he's a great doctor, a really good doctor. Okay, so we've got a special little baby chair that sits on the front of the bike like this. His little bump pillow in case I slam the brakes on. He's not going to hurt himself. We'll get him on this, get him into the doctors. I've got him on the bike. He sits up there. He looks over. He loves the bike. I take him for rides everywhere all the time. You ready to go, mate? Hey? All right. So we're here at Dr. ARYA. I think it's G'day ARYA. Now, it's Balinese doctor. He's really good. He speaks really good English. And I've been here many times. And this is a great doctor. And he's got his own little chemist shop inside. If he can give you the tablets, he will. All right, so you don't need an appointment. You can just turn up and get in line here. So anyway, I'll walk down to Legian Street down here and I'll just show you exactly where it is on the map. So you're probably wondering who Kenzo is. Well, it's Yuli's niece's child, and he had not a real good father, and fighting between the mother and father, and they're sort of splitting up. So we've taken him down here. He's been down living with us for the last few months, and until Yuli's niece can get her act together and get away from this abusive husband of hers. So I'll just show you where we are here. Just walk down here a bit. Now this is Legian Street, Jalan Legian. And you can see Mama's, where Paddy Mirror comes out, right opposite Mama's German restaurant. You got the pad bar just there. So if you come up here, it's probably only like 50, 60 metres. There's a little gang here. Not even quite sure what the name of this gang is. Oh, it's gang Champaka. Yeah, right, this goes up through to Champaka. If you follow this right up and around the corner, it goes on to Jalan Paddy Mirror. So if you turn off on the gang Champaka, go up, look, it's just this wall here, and then the doctor's surgery is probably, you know, 70 or 80 metres up there. So this is a great doctor. He's really good. So, you know, instead of going to these international clinics and all that, it's going to charge you millions and millions of rupees just for anything. Come and see this guy. It's 100,000. So we'll just go down here to the corner of Jalan Paddy Mirror opposite Mama's restaurant, and then Paddy returns into Jalan Benasari. So I'll just show you where it is. It's not too far down here at all. The pad bar's pretty good. Good breakfast, good food in there. Aussie owned. And just here you'll have the BMC Money Exchange, which is probably the best and most trusted money exchange around. Is it still here? Yep. This is the BMC Money Exchange. They've got really good rates. Australian dollar at the moment is 10,425. It's pretty good. Paddy Mura. And if you cross Legian Street, it turns in Jalan Benasari, goes all the way to the beach. So, or you can go left at the intersection through to Poppies, and that's Benasari as well. Here's Mama's German restaurant across the road. So it's easy if you're in Kuta, Legian area to find the doctor's surgery. It's not too far away at all.
Yeah.
So this is our doctor, Dr. ARYA.
Yeah.
Right, so he's just going to check over little Kenzo, check his temperature. He's got fevers last few days, so it's 38, 39 degrees, which is pretty hot. Okay, so I've got some antibiotics, some cough syrup, some things to dry his sinus and for his cough and everything, so hopefully you'll come good, won't you, little mate? Eh? Oh. Okay, so it was 20 bucks, 200,000 for the doctor, all his medicine, 4 different bottles of stuff. So I get him on the bike and get him home. Right, now it's time to do some editing. So nearly every morning, if I got nothing to do after breakfast or even before breakfast or in the middle of the night or if it's raining, that's when I do some editing. So I use Filmora Wondershare. Filmora is my edit program. It's a pretty good program. It's got really good AI in it, and it's got all sorts of free music, transitions, like sound effects, you name it. It's all in here. I'm doing one on rabies when I got attacked by a dog. So I'm just doing a little film on the rabies shots I had to have and things like that. Now my computer is an Asus. It's an Asus. It's a special gaming computer, this one. It's a Asus Tough Gaming A15. Now, they've got really, really fast graphics in it. Cost me about 11 million, I think, probably a bit over $1,000. And it really is a great computer for editing because you need a fast graphics and all that for editing. So, yeah, I'll just give you a little look in what sort of equipment I use, what edit program, Wondershare, Filmora. It's a really good program. Now, I pay extra every month, probably about 30 bucks Australian or something, 30, 40 bucks every Australian for all. So I've got the full package of everything, all the AI, all the transitions, everything. Otherwise, you pay yearly. It's probably about 100 bucks for the year. And once you own the program, if you don't update it, you can just keep it forever. You don't have to pay after that. But I pay for all the extras on it, which is just multitudes of different things. So my edit program probably cost me about, I don't know, fair bit. I think it's around nearly 400,000 or nearly 40 bucks, probably 35 bucks Australian. So, and plus I also pay for like YouTube Premium, so I get no ads when I'm watching videos. My Epidemic Sound for music, which I hardly ever use because Filmora has its own copy-free right music in it as well. And YouTube's got free copyright music, so but I still pay for it, I've still got it. So all up with this, the YouTube Premium, and so my edit program, YouTube Premium, Epidemic Sound, I'm probably paying about $60 Australian a month just for my YouTube. There's some of them prices or things that you just got to pay if you want to make decent videos or half decent videos like mine. Anyway, I'll finish this editing and then we'll get on with the day. Okay, so I'm finished editing at last. That's good. Now it's time to head off to the bank, get some cash out. Now I only go to a main BCA bank. I never use these little ATMs around. Circle K ones are all right if the machine's inside, but I like going to the bank and I normally just draw out a couple of million. That'll last me a week or so. So I'll show you how to get 50,000 notes out of the ATM. I always get 50s, not hundreds, because they're just easier to cash, especially out here in the local area. So let's head off to the bank. I'll show you how to use the ATM properly. Okay, so when it comes to ATMs, I'll show you how to use them properly. if you want 50s. Now, I always get 50,000s, not 100,000s, because it's just easier that way. So this is how you get 50s. You go to cash withdrawal, press that, other transactions, withdraw, and then you just pick 50. And then you type in how much you want. So I want 500,000. Correct. Don't show balance. And that's it. Now, if you know, see this here, if you've got 50s, the green tick will be on. If there's hundreds, the green tick will be on. If that's got a red cross, there's no 50s in the machine. So that's how you know. Then you just take your money, got my money, it's all 50s, which are easier to cash, you know. Basically, that's it. Make sure the card comes out last, make sure you always pick it up. So many people leave them in the machines. So while we're here near the bank, we're going to slip into Papaya supermarket, get some cake, sit on the front, have a bit of a snack. I just did a video on this, coming out last week or something, didn't it? And I'll leave a link for that in screen up there. So I just got a schnitzel and a croquette, that's what I always get when I'm in here. But check out the selection of food now, it's all out today. Heaps of sushi and stuff like that. Lunch packs. It's really worth coming in here, it's good cheap food actually. Oh, got more coming out. Right, this is what we come to get, these croissants, and they're just full of custard. They're really, really good. 24,000, like $2.20 or something. Really good, eh? Papaya Bakery, it's really good food in here. Okay, so Papaya's got a little table set up and that right out the front on Jalan Mertanadi. So you can buy in the bakery and that your food and come out here and sit and eat. I'll show you what we got. Okay, so all up this was 200,000, 20 bucks. So we got 3 sushi packs. I got my chicken schnitzel and my chicken potato croquette and one of these big donuts, another little cake thing like a little turtle and 2 of these croissants stuffed full of custard. They're really, really good, and a matcha latte. So it's pretty cheap in here really for food. So you know, this is enough for us to eat all day, lunch and dinner. So good deal, Papaya supermarket. Okay, so I'm going to hook into this little sushi here. Never opened these things before. Oh shit. This one's soy sauce. I fucked that up, didn't I? Anyway, get me chopsticks, which I'm not real good at using. Now this stuff here is like bloody chopsticks. It's pickled ginger. Oh, I don't think you see it. Pickled ginger, it's really good. Let's put a little bit of that on top of your sushi, and I've never been able to use chopsticks. I'm bloody hopeless at them. They don't give you wasabi, but not too bad these. Look. So they make all the food fresh here every day. Watch that full video on Papaya supermarket. Seriously, these things are the best things in sliced bread, I'm telling you. Look at it.
Croissant.
It's a croissant,
Custard.
but it's just chock-a-block full of custard, like heaps and heaps of custard too. It's so good, eh? Oh mate. Oh, the custard in there. It's just full of custard and really good tasting custard too. It's a bit sweet. I shouldn't be eating it, but bugger it. Got to cheat every now and then. So what do you think of that sushi? It's not bad, is it? Huh?
I love it.
So now we haven't got much to do. It's just after lunch, so I'll go home, maybe eat a bit more sushi and relax.